Hey YouTube, RPM Idaho here. Got another video for you. This is another Christmas present video. And we got some objects that light on fire for Christmas. The first one, all but one of these are my son's. This Meritech peanut lighter, that one's mine. So we'll go over these. So I got him this Meritech peanut lighter with the flat bottom. After my last video, I figured that I'd give him one. Anyway, somebody's asleep over there. It works. He likes it. And then I also got him, this Zippo lighter, which is the candy apple red. Zippo, go with this collection. And then we got him, this is for we're going to be snowmobiling, so I'm trying to give him some survival gear and stuff to stay warm. We got him this hand warmer, and this is a Zippo hand warmer. As soon as we can get it to work, we have another one over there that's been warm for, I don't know, what, 6-8 hours. So there's that, and this is a genuine Zippo. It says Zippo on it. And then there's my peanut lighter with the flat bottom. And on my other video I recommended these, so you know we had to get one. And there we go. So just wanted to show you that. A few little small Christmas presents we got myself and got him. The only thing I was bummed about was
What an ninja tricks again!
squirt and run. He squirted and ran.
Eat it!
Anyway, now he's back. You better arm yourself. This one says Cage 5VKB6, and this one says Meritech 5VKB6, which is weird. I ordered them from the same place, and they're the exact same, but this one says Meritech, this one doesn't. So, go figure. Maybe it's because it's copper, I guess, or brass, or whatever you want to call it. So, there they are. Our few little more gifts we got for Christmas. Hope you all had a good one. And have a happy new year. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you.